Hello everyone, I'm Nilab Yadav. Welcome to Nilab's Tech Force, and in this video we'll be adding extra RAM to our Raspberry Pi. So here is my Raspberry Pi, 8 GB model, 8 GB RAM. We need a USB drive. I am using 16 GB, so you can use any like 32 GB or 8 GB, any what you want. And in this video we'll be doing swap memory so that we can add extra RAM to our Raspberry Pi using this pen drive. So disclaimer, the swap memory won't act as your actual memory, the actual 8 GB memory. It will be just backup memory which will be used when that 8 GB memory is full, and it will be very slow as compared to actual 8 GB memory. So let's move on to the screen and let's get started. Okay, so these are the commands. This will be a short guide on how to uh, add the swap disk. So I went on YouTube, I searched for tutorials. I tried different tutorials, but nothing worked for me. So these are the commands which I'll need to run. So ensure that you have plugged in your pen drive in your Raspberry Pi and the Raspberry Pi is powered on. Now I have SSH to my Raspberry Pi via my PC. So first of all we need to run the first command, which is lsblk. So here is my pen drive, which is named as SBD. So we need to unmount it. In your case it might be different, like SDA in some cases, SDA and SDA1 here, but yeah, mine is SBD. So let's continue with SBD. So now we have unmounted the disk. Now we need to format the partition using these commands. Now we need to format the new partition as the swap. So this is a specific type which we need to run the swap memory. Enable swap. Okay, so now we need to enable the swap. Then confirm swap is active. So now we need to check if our swap memory, like this is the part where we like enable the swap and configure it. So now let's check it. Okay, so this is the 512 MB swap which is already on my SD card, and this is SDA1 and SBD is the swap on of my like pen drive. Oh, I understand why mine was showing SBD1, because before recording this video I tried these all commands. These all commands were given to me by ChatGPT, so I tried it and that time my device was named SDA1. So I guess we can continue. Okay, so what was the last command which I ran? Okay, free.h. Okay, memory total. Oh, swap is 30 GB. Yeah. But yeah, if you do it like if you do it twice, then only you'll have 30 GB swap. Otherwise, you'll have 15 GB only. In my case, also 30 GB was not intended, but yeah. Get UID. I need to get the UID of the swap. Okay, so this is the UID. Now we can just copy paste it. Okay, I've copied it. Yeah, this was my this was the previous UID which I had. This was the previous UID, but yeah, this one is the new one. Okay, so now we need to enter this nano file. Yeah, so here we have here I have my first swap and can just And yeah, so reduce swap usage to reduce lower swap usage to reduce USB wear. Okay, let's leave it for now. Then sudo reboot, we can just go ahead and reboot our Raspberry Pi. Okay, so connection, remote host,